What's up guys, it's Cody with 3D printing and technology. So for today's video I have the 3D doodle create pen that I'm going to be using. This will probably be just a setup and a basic hands-on type video. I'll probably make more in-depth reviews or making stuff with this in the right tour videos. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so that was in the slow setting. Took a while to get warmed up and for me to figure out how to load the ABS filament into the back of it. But yeah, so we're gonna try to do some things with it. So first, test out the fast speed because that was, I think, the slow speed. So you can see that going. Hit once. If you hit once, it'll stop it. So next, we're going to do a basic box with it. So I'm going to hit the throw button. Go raise it up. Fail. Okay, so I'm going to change the tape out. And I guess I'm going to try up the fast settings. Okay, so we're going to do fast settings now. Doing the bottom outline. Go raise it up. Still didn't work. Alright, try it again. It's coming out too fast. Okay, so we got something here. So I guess you got to start and stop it and want to do riffs on it. So now I'm going to try to connect the two pieces. Yes, interesting. So we can finish the cube off. So now I'll fill the piece in. So I think the best method is to wrap around the piece when you're doing that. But yeah, here is the cube up close, or my attempt of one. So now I'm gonna make an object where I can pick up off of it so that I can actually hold my hands. I think I'm gonna go for a cone shaped object. Okay, so I just made a outside shape of it, so I'm gonna wrap around it now. And again, this is on the slow speed. And it's our filament. So now I'm gonna get another stick of filament to use. But let's try removing this piece first. So here it is. Removed it. Again, this is ABS, so it's gonna be a little bit more stiff than other filament types. But it's pretty solid. So the next thing I'm gonna do is get another stick of this red filament and go back over the missing parts on this Gorilla gadget that I didn't print with. So hopefully this turns out pretty good. Okay, hopefully I'll be able to see this. Take this piece out first. So it's working somewhat, not as good as I'd hoped with this piece. So now that I got some plastic on it, I'm going to use the hot nozzle just to smooth it out some. Trying to find an angle where you can see this. Alright, so it's in the base. I'm going to start over on this piece. Okay, so got this side done, I think. Might have got a little bit more on this edge. But now I'm going to go with this side with it. Okay, so now that this piece is done, I think it'll be good to test out with it like that. Okay, so that's it for this print. There'll be a different video coming out of us testing this. But anyways, that's probably gonna do it for today's video with the 3D Doodle Create pen. This was just a basic video to kind of get like a setup and an initial hands-on with it to see what I can do with it. So I can fix this print, made this print, and do like a square tap thing. But I'll probably be using it for a separate video, make objects or fix objects or what have you. Maybe do a review on it soon. So that's gonna do it for today's video. If you like this video or want to see the latest videos first, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.